meter, which is called as a kilowatt meter. Here first, obviously, what do I make, what do I want to do, what is the whole idea of local earthing? We are making a suitable point or a suitable connection for the electric current to enter earth, so that it doesn't enter it through the appliance or doesn't enter it through me. Okay, I don't want to electrify the soil around. I just want to keep this loop. I want to keep this part. This is my current carrying copper, thick copper wire. This is my thick copper plate to add further conduction to it. Understood? And this is a non-conducting pipe. Why do I need a non-conducting pipe? Because I don't want the current to pass through earth. मतलब ऐसे पूरा earth में ही आ जाए. हम लोग जमीन पे चलने पे we might get electrocuted. We don't want that. We just want this particular part to be a very, very good conductor of electricity, which means to be the best route that the current will take, or the path of least resistance possible. So we have taken a thick copper wire. And this is a thick copper plate for more contact area. Thick copper plate. On this thick copper plate, this is surrounded by what? Tell me. Salt and charcoal. So when I connect it to salt, ash or charcoal, here this part is kept very moist. So we have to also need, we will also need moisture here to keep it as a good conductor of electricity. But why are we putting moisture on the foot of this material? We are putting moisture there because water is also a good conductor of electricity, and we always, we are always aware of this, that whenever we are touching an appliance, don't touch it with wet hands or wet chappals, right? Why do we do that? Because water is a good conductor of electricity. So what are we making this whole thing? Water bhi dal diya usme. Everything that we avoid as human beings to not get electrocuted, we are doing it with this. बहुत बड़ा reason है उसके बाद में. Coal is important. So what happens here? We have made it a very good conductor of electricity. Now from here only we take a wire which enters the kilowatt meter, and after that it enters our house. Is this clear to you? What is this called as? A local earthing. Okay? Safety by the local earthing. If due to any reason we experience overload or short circuit, mainly it has to be short circuit. Why short circuit? Because the live wire has come in contact with the neutral wire. But actually, this is not the reason for the need for earthing. The main need for earthing is for any appliance which is made of a material which is a conducting material, whose surface is made of a conducting material. Over the years, with wear and tear, what happens? The live wire can come in contact with the surface of the appliance. If the live wire comes in contact with the surface of the appliance, then what will happen? The surface of the appliance becomes the conducting body. It becomes a path of least resistance. Why? Because inside the equipment or inside the appliance, work has to be performed, energy has to be used up. But when the current is circulating only through the body, no work, it's not performing any extra work or extra labor. Is it getting any resistance? Does a conducting body or a metal show any resistance? No. So it will choose that path. And if the metal becomes a conductor, metal becomes an electric current carrying conductor. If I touch it, I am also a good conductor of electricity, so I have a chance of getting electrocuted or not. So this is a very, very important safety measure for us, right? So what happens here is, if you take an appliance, like how is it connected to the appliance, let's see, and then we will see how it is connected to the socket. Alright? So if we connect it to an appliance, all appliances nowadays are painted, isn't it? All appliances are painted. Paint is a bad conductor of electricity or it is an insulator. So that also helps us कि अगर ठीक है, by chance अगर body से जा भी रहा है, but because of the paint we will get protected. Understanding? However, that cannot be enough protection. A paint का layer cannot protect me forever. Paint can also get chipped, right? So what happens is in the appliance always earthing is done where? On the body of the appliance. Now did you understand why do we do it on the body of the appliance? Because that is the part of the appliance that we touch. हम लोग ऐसे मशीन खोल के उसके अंदर तो हाथ कभी नहीं डालते हैं. Rarely. When we do that we take safety measures for it. But we are always touching the door and we are always touching the body of these things. So at this point, any point on the body or on the metallic body of the appliance, there is a connection point which is connected to my neutral wire. It will be connected to my this neutral wire. समझे? इसको न्यूट्रल वायर से कनेक्ट किया जाए. अभी इसको मैं न्यूट्रल वायर से कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ क्या डायरेक्टली? वायर खींच के लाया मैंने उसका? नहीं. This appliance is connected to what kind of pin? What kind of socket? 3-pin socket. So can I say there is also another component over here, right? What is going to be that component? A 3-pin socket. 3-pin socket में भी connect the appliance, right? So 3-pin socket यहाँ पे जो आ रहा है. 3-pin socket has 3 points. The left hand side from where?
2-pin socket में तो हर बार शॉक लगा है ना.
क्यों लगेगा? हर बार 2-pin socket हम लोग किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? Is it a metallic body?
हाँ.
Which वाला है?
फोन नहीं होता.
Phone is not a metallic body. Outside of the phone, is it a metallic body? It's not. My phone has a metal body. So when I am charging it, I feel a sort of electricity. I do. If it is, but that is a very low power rating. Phones are very low power rating. So therefore we use 2 pins. 3 pins only used when the body is 100% going to be a good conductor. तीनों सब में अगर 3 पिन लगाने लगे वेरी गुड. देखो लैपटॉप मेटालिक बॉडी होता है, मेनली होता है, बट लैपटॉप है 3 pins. Adapter is for turning your AC current to DC. Adapter is not your 3-pin socket. 3-pin socket होता है लैपटॉप का. Why we actually put it on our laps? We are touching the metal, so that means understanding. Got the point? Now 3-pin socket में what we can see left hand side में लाइव वायर है. LL याद रखो. Left hand side में लाइव है. Actually वो राइट में है, बट दिखाएंगे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लाइव वायर से कनेक्ट हुआ ही है. मेरे घर के सर्किट के लाइव वायर से कनेक्टेड है. राइट हैंड साइड से न्यूट्रल कनेक्टेड है. घर के अंदर एंटर किया याद है? न्यूट्रल कनेक्टेड है. और यहाँ से ये अर्थिंग आके यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है. So when I plug in my device, the wire which will be connected to this is going to be actually connected to this point, which is my earthing point of the appliance. Is it clear? And these two and बाकी सारे क्या पे connected होंगे? Wherever the functioning the circuit has to be made, this will be connected. So you are understanding? It has got to the. This is the point. This is the main point of the house. Now when I plug it in, the connection is made with the appliance. Is it clear with you? पूरा समझ में आया? So for the appliance, how will it be connected? Let's say यही से point आएगा ना, यही तो यहाँ से ही point आएगा. यहाँ पे लाइव कनेक्ट हुआ, यहाँ से निकलते वक्त this goes and gets connected to the. Now is it clear? You understood the whole connection? How an appliance is connected to a 3-pin socket? How does a 3-pin socket look? Let's see, like something like it. This the earthing is fatter as well as protruding, more protruding, bigger in length, and the other two are not as long. Understood? Why do we need this kind of a placement? We need this kind of, and here there is always a sort of a hole sort of a thing. That is for contact. That is for contact. That is for wire to wire contact. Now what happens here is when I plug it in, so the socket is a female, that is a female part of the machine. We call it all these connections males and females. So males are the protruding part like nature, nothing funny about it. And females are the ones. क्या है इसमें? That is where we have got the name from. हंसो मत हर बात पे. So what happens here is the male component and the female component should be a perfect fit, isn't it? If it is not a perfect fit, किसी भी वायर में कुछ भी डालते रहोगे तो you will see sparks. Because that wasted electrical energy is getting converted into light and heat energy. वो जो जहाँ पे कनेक्शन नहीं बना है, the loose wires, उसको सेलोटेप लगा के प्लीज मत किया करो ये सब. क्यों क्या होता है वहाँ पे? Because there is an empty space, the current flows, they are very close to each other, the current flows, but there is a loss of that current. And there is a free current flowing inside that empty space, that hollow space. That's why we have those, if you see behind, we have those plastic caps on 3-pin sockets. Plastic caps को उठा के फिर मतलब plug जब भी डालते हैं we put it like this. Why the plastic part should go up? It's like a window, flap window. पीछे देखो, flap window होता है. उसपे बहुत महान लोग हैं ऐसे पेन से उसको ऊपर उठा के उसके अंदर सॉकेट डालते हैं. लगेगा ही लगेगा करंट. अगर कुछ भी faulty wires है, you put a pin or a pen or they lift those flaps and then they put the wire. Never do that. Never in your life. Understood? Connection has to be perfect. Otherwise there is loss. There is free current which is flowing.
मतलब टूटल तो घुसता ही नहीं फिर उसके
ऐसे करके घुसा वो घुसता ही है, घुसेगा. Otherwise flaps sometimes they get jammed. इसीलिए नहीं घुसता. Fix the flap. Don't use a pen or a pencil and those things. You can maybe use a plastic. Plastic का कुछ fork या कुछ हो you can use it. No problem.
वो कंडक्टर भी
कंडक्टर चाहिए क्या देखो?
नहीं अगर टेंट डालेंगे
पेन करने का कंडक्टर. पेन हैज अ मेटालिक बॉडी. नहीं डालना चाहिए.
पेंसिल तो नहीं होगा.
ग्रेफाइट होता है ना उसमें, लेड और ग्रेफाइट. लेड क्या है?
कंडक्टर और पेन तो प्लास्टिक बॉडी होता है.
लेकिन उसका नीड चीज क्या होता है बेटा? आप पेन से ही करना. प्लीज यूज अ पेन. अभी क्या कैसे होगा इसके बीच में? 2 मिनट रुक जा. हाउ इज अर्थिंग शोन सिंबॉलिकली लाइक दिस? ओके, ऐसे करके दिखा. ऐसे ये मतलब अर्थ से कनेक्टेड. दिस इज व्हाट इज अर्थिंग सिंबल. अर्थिंग को ग्राउंडिंग भी बोलते हैं. ही आल्सो कॉल्ड इट ग्राउंडिंग. अंडरस्टूड? अर्थिंग क्लियर? पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? अभी आते हैं एकदम इजी पार्ट.
हाँ देखो बना दे.
अच्छा हाँ पूछो बेटा.
हाँ थोड़े लैपटॉप तक
कुछ लैपटॉप का होता है टूपिंग.
उनमें तो हमारे पास